Hi. I have Microsoft Office 2021 installed in my Windows PC. As you can see, it's there in the system. But when I look for Word, Excel, or other apps, I see nothing. So, let's fix it. Go to Add or Remove Programs. Find MS Office version you have installed. Simply click on three dots. Then Modify. We need Quick Repair. And finally Repair. This would take a few while to be fixed, and wait until it's done. It's done. Now let's check. Yes, it's showing on Start. And also working fine. Same for the Excel also. So, this is how you can simply fix this Office application not showing in search easily in Windows PC. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.